Hey, what's up guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech, and guys, in this video, let us talk about the lifespan of a smartphone. See guys, we buy a smartphone and we use it for a long time, and in the market we'll get so many smartphones releasing every month or every year, but we don't know exactly when we should change our smartphone, because most of the people use the smartphone for 5 to 6 years or more than 6 years based on the performance of their mobile phone. Watch the video till the end because we're just talking about the lifespan of smartphone and when you should change your smartphone depending on your requirements. So let's get started. And guys, before going into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. So now, let's get into the topic. Guys, basically in a smartphone, there are two main components which will be damaged easily in a couple of years. First one is the battery and the second one is the software. First, let us talk about the battery side. All smartphone batteries are made up of lithium-ion batteries, and these lithium-ion batteries degrade after 2 to 3 hours around 20 to 30%. According to a research, for around 300 to 500 charging cycles, there will be a decrease in the 20% battery life. So one charging cycle is equal to one full single charge, that is 0% to 100%. So like this, every 300 to 500 times charging cycles, there will be decrease in the 20% battery life, that is said by an research. And the second thing is the software. See guys, some companies release software updates in a while and some companies take so much time, that is around 1 to 2 years to release an update for that mobile phone until and unless it is a stock Android. See guys, stock Android is nothing but this stock Android is directly under controlled by the Google company, but the other custom UIs will be under control of their companies. For example, if you are using a Realme mobile, then it has a color OS, or if you use a Redmi mobile, it has a MIUI. So like this customized UIs will be under the control of the developers. See, this MIUI will be under the control of Redmi, the color OS will be under the control of the Oppo, that is, or the Realme, and the Vivo UI will be under the control of the Vivo. But the stock Android, which you can find in some of the mobiles like the Google Pixel mobile or even in some of the models of the Nokia mobiles, will be under the control of the Google company. See guys, your phone will be only optimized when you get the software updates, because in a smartphone, many of the hackers try to hack the smartphones and there will be small bugs in the smartphones. And as the latest update is released to your mobile phone, then you should update it. See guys, when you update this software, the loophole and the bugs will be resolved in that update. So guys, updating is very important. So guys, I recommend you to just update your smartphone if you want to just use your smartphone for a longer time. And the next one is a physical state. See guys, the battery and the software are just the internal parts, but the physical state of the smartphone is the external part. So for example, when you are going out, it is raining very heavily, and if your smartphone isn't waterproof, then when you just expose your smartphone to the moisture, then the moisture will be entering into your mobile phone and your smartphone might be damaged in these cases. So like this, the physical state is also very important, and your smartphone should not be exposed to the dust also, because dust particles also damage your internal parts of the smartphone. So guys, overall the lifespan of a budget smartphone, that is around 1000 rupees to around 20,000 rupees, the lifespan will be around 3 years, and if you just use it more carefully, then it might be extended up to 4 years, and an average lifespan of the flagship mobile will be around 5 years to maximum of 6 years. After this 5 years and 6 years of usage, you will notice some of the lags in your smartphone and some of the bugs in your smartphone. So this is an indication that there's a chance to change your smartphone. And guys, Apple smartphones will be completely different from the Android platform, because Android platforms, they will be releasing software updates once in a while, but Apple iPhones will be releasing very frequently. See guys, when you buy an iPhone 11 Pro Max now, and after 5 years also, you will get the software update to this iPhone 11 Pro Max also, because the Apple iPhones provide around 5 years of software updates, which in the Android case, you cannot find that. So I think you got a clear idea about the lifespan of your smartphone. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, hit that like button, share to friends as much as possible. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box below, because I'll try to differently answer those questions. Do subscribe my channel by clicking the AkhilanTech logo and clicking subscribe button. This is Akhilan signing off. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers.